So here is how we can use the markup feature on the iPhone notes. Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So when you go to the Notes app and you open it up for the first time, you can browse your notes or create a new one just like usual. But the point is that whenever I type in like a title or whatever, but when you get it to the body of the note, so below the title we have the body, you can use the markup tool to kind of like draw whatever you want really into the Notes app. And you have to activate it by clicking this little pencil icon in a circle. So as you can see, there is one pencil icon, but I'm talking about this one in a circle like this. And this switches over to the mode for markup. So these are the regular tools you also have in other places like the pen, where you can change the thickness, opacity, like a thin pen, then the highlighter, and also all of the things can be modified. Then also the eraser and color selection. And yeah, just like usual, you have the ability to start drawing on it. You can see there at the top, there's like a, the like edge of it. So you cannot really go beyond that. And that's essentially what you're going to draw. Right, so a lot of people use it if they quickly want to just sketch something on their phone. They usually go to the Notes app and just set up this so they can just type stuff in. So you can then confirm it like so, and now you can just continue typing the regular keyboard. So that's it. That's how you can mark up on the iPhone notes. I hope that I was able to explain it properly. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.